Hi guys, welcome back to High Basic Code. I hope you are doing great. In the previous video, we will learn about the for loop in Python and understood how it helps us repeat a block of code. But whenever we write a for loop, we usually use something called the range function. So what exactly is range? What do we use it? And how does it actually work? So in today's video, we will understand the range function step by step with simple example. So let's get started. What is range? The range function is a built-in Python function that generates a sequence of numbers. Instead of writing numbers manually, Python creates them automatically. That's why range is mostly used with the for loop. That the syntax is range, range, start and stop, and then step. So let's understand each parameters with example. Example first. For I in range 5 and then print I. Let's understand this carefully. Here we have written range 5. Since we provide only one value, Python automatically started counting from 0. So range 5 generates this numbers. So output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice this 5 is not included. This is one of the most important rules of the range function. The stop value is always executive. Now let's see how the loop works. In the first iteration, I becomes 0. So Python prints 0. Then the loop runs again. Now I becomes 1. So Python prints 1. Again the loop runs. Now I becomes 2. So Python prints 2. Then 3 and then 4. After printing 4, there are no more numbers left in the range. So the loop stops automatically and these output will be print. So this is output. Next example. For I in range 1, 6. So the print I. Now, this example is slightly different. This time we have given two values inside range. The first value 1 and then is the starting point. And then second value 6 is the stopping point. Python started from 1 and keep increasing by 1. So the number becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again remember, Python never print the stop value. That's why 6 is not printed. Let's see how the loop works. First, I equals to 1, so Python prints 1. Next, I equals to 2, so it Python true. Then 3 and then 4 and then finally 5. When Python reaches 6, the loop ended. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay, now let's learn example third. For I in range 2, 11 and then 2. So the print I. Now let's understand the third parameters of range, which is called a step. The step value tells Python how much it should increase after each iteration. Here 2 is the starting value, 11 is the stopping value, and then last 2 is the step. So Python started from 2, then it added 2 and reaches 4. Again, it added 2 and reaches 6, then 8 and then 10. If Python added 2 one more time, the next number becomes 12. But 12 is greater than the stop value 11. So Python stopped the loop. That's why the output will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and then 10. So output will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and then 10. That is a very useful way to print only even numbers. Okay, now let's learn last example 4. For I in range 10 and then 0 and then -1. So print I. Until now, our numbers were increasing. But what if we want to print numbers is in reverse order? For that, we use a negative step. Here, 10 is the starting value, 0 is the stopping value, and -1 means decrease by 1 after every iteration. So Python starts with 10, then it subtracts 1 and prints 9, then 8, and then 7. This process continues until 1. Notice again, Python never includes the stop value. That's why 0 is not printed. Negative step is commonly used when we want reverse counting. So the output will be 10, 9, 8, and then 1. So on. Okay. Before moving ahead, let's quickly revise some important points. The range function generates a sequence of numbers. If you provide only one value, Python starts from 0 by default. The stop value is always excluded. The step value decided how much the numbers increase or decrease. A negative step is used for reverse counting. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video, and try to guess the output before running the code. For I in range 3 and then print I. And the next example for I in range 1, 6 and then print I. For I in range 2, 12 and then 2, print I. And then last, for I in range 5, 0 and then -1. Practice these examples by yourself because coding becomes easier only the practice. So that's all for today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the range function and how it works with the for loop. In the next video, we will learn break, continue, and pass statements, which help us control the flow of loops in Python. If you enjoyed this code, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to High Rishi Codes. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!